right, so for number 4, we are going to use the two formulas, r equals root x squared plus y squared, and tan theta equals y over x. So first, to find the r value, I have to identify x and y. So in this case, x is 0 and y is 3. So that will give me 0 squared plus 3 squared with square root of that, which is just going to be 3. 0 really is unnecessary. So the square root of 3 squared is 3. Then I'm going to evaluate tan of theta equals 3 over 0. Well, 3 over 0 is undefined. So you have to think on your unit circle, when is the tan of theta undefined? And that's going to be at 90 degrees. So 3 comma 90 is going to be my coordinate. For negative 5 comma negative 5, I'm again going to plug in those values, negative 5 squared and negative 5 squared. That's going to give me root 50. So when I could simplify that radical, but for this purpose, you can just leave it as root 50. And then you're going to take tan theta of 1. Well, tangent is 1 at 45 degrees, so theta equals 45. However, you are in the third quadrant. Therefore, 45 degrees in the third quadrant gives you 225 degrees. So your point is actually root 50 comma 225. Root 3 comma negative 1 is going to give you root 3 squared plus negative 1 squared. That's going to give you root 4, which is 2. Tan theta equals negative 1 over root 3. And again, this is where you have to have your unit circle memorized. Where is theta negative root 3 over 3? Well, that's going to be in the second quadrant. So therefore, in the second quadrant, if your angle is actually 150, this is in the fourth quadrant because root 3 comma negative 1 is going to put you in the fourth quadrant. So therefore, your angle is actually 2 comma 330. And then for the last one, again, r in this case, 5 squared plus 8 squared, root 89. Tan theta equals 8 over 5. You can't evaluate this one without a calculator. All the ones before this, you should know your tan values of your typical 30, 60, 45, 90, etc. However, 8 over 5 is not a common angle. So therefore, tan inverse of 8 over 5 is 57.995. And this is in the first quadrant. 5, 8 is in the first quadrant. So therefore, you get root 89 comma 57.995.